So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the new Chromecast with Google TV. This is a bit different than other Chromecasts in the past. Well, you can still cast videos and audio and that type of stuff from your phone to this device. It's actually running Android TV with a skin on it called Google TV. This is basically supposed to be in line with kind of like the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K and Roku's players and that type of stuff. So you're getting a fully functional player plus a Chromecast device. So that's why it comes with a remote and whatnot, and then you can use any of these kind of different services or whatnot. So this, you can stream up to 4K video at HDR. It also supports 1080p HD video, and Google TV will actually give you kind of recommendations from all different types of streaming services and whatnot. Yeah, so let's dig into the box. So as you can see, an indicator of this is where the dongle is, this is where the remote is. So let's take the device out. So this is the kind of sky color. It also comes in white and also kind of like a orangey or kind of pinkish color. So here's the device. You won't need an HDMI cable because there's an HDMI connector. So you just plug this in TV. It's fairly, not like super big in size, but compared to say like Google Pixel 4 XL, it's slightly bigger, but it's also much thinner. There's a USB-C port, Google logo, reset button, LED indicator, that type of stuff, and then remote. So here's the remote. It's not the exact color of it, but it's kind of a bluish type of greenish color. So here you have the arrow keys, enter button, back button, Google Assistant button, mute, YouTube, Netflix, power. You can actually use this to control your TV that is plugged into, as long as it's compatible, that type of stuff. Volume buttons, so when you're controlling your TV. So this is to switch sources on your TV. Here's the battery compartment. So it uses 2 AAA batteries. Quick start guide and that type of stuff. Here's a USB-C to Type A cable. Two AAA batteries to go inside the remote, and then a USB-A power adapter. So you just plug it in, and then you're set to go, and then you set up the device via the Google Home app. So yeah, this has been a quick unboxing of the new Chromecast with Google TV.